This is gonna blow your mind. Fenugreek might be your new best friend. Fenugreek seeds are tiny but mighty. They help regulate blood sugar, perfect for managing diabetes. Nursing moms, guess what? Fenugreek boosts milk production. It's also great for digestion, easing indigestion and constipation. Plus, it fights inflammation, soothes menstrual cramps, and even boosts testosterone. And there's more. It supports heart health, aids weight management, and promotes healthy skin and hair. One tiny seed, so many benefits. Try Fenugreek today and give your health a natural boost.